Welcome to Argosy University and ASP 100. My name is Mary Jane Andrews, and it's very nice to meet you. I will be your instructor over the next 5 weeks, and I'm looking forward to working with you and helping you to do your best. The discussion board assignment this week is about learning styles. What are your preferred learning styles? Are you a visual, oral, or kinesthetic learner? Or are you a social, solitary, or logical learner? What are your preferred learning styles, and what does that mean? This chart from learnersbubble.com shows how people with different learning styles learn in different ways. This week's assignments will identify what your preferred learning styles are and provide you more information about how you can use this knowledge to learn easier and more effectively. This slide shows things about visual learners. If you're a visual learner, what are your advantages and disadvantages in an online classroom? Do you think these would be the same if you are an oral learner, a social learner, or a kinesthetic learner? Let's go back to this image. It shows how people with different learning styles use different strategies to help them learn. For example, if you are an oral learner, you might benefit from downloading the digital bookshelf, which allows the textbook to be read to you. This helps you because you hear the information and you see the information. Social learners might need to think about specific strategies that will help them succeed and learn easier, like reading all posts and responding to more than 2 classmates because it helps them feel connected.
The first thing you will need to do is to determine your preferred learning styles. Do not assume you know what they are. I encourage you to review the information from the textbook, Chapter 2, Learning Styles, Building and Using Self-Knowledge. You will also see 4 links to different websites which allow you to take a 5 to 10 minute assessment to determine your preferred learning styles. They are provided for your convenience. You are not required to use them.
Next, think about and answer the questions in this assignment. Which learning style best describes the way you learn? What are the advantages and disadvantages of the online learning environment in the context of your learning style? An example would be, my advantage of taking an online class as a visual learner are. What strategies can you use to help you reach the goals you've set for yourself given your learning style? Be sure to be specific. An example, some specific strategies I can use to help me be successful as an auditory learner are. How might knowledge of this learning style affect the way you learn? Please note, make sure to thoroughly analyze the information about learning styles in the textbook. Don't forget that all discussion board assignments are 2 separate parts. First, you must answer the questions, then you must respond substantively to at least 2 of your classmates. I encourage you to write at least 3 sentences. If you're having trouble thinking of something to say, you might want to share relevant course content that you read.
Key points to remember. We are each unique with our own learning styles. The key is to remember that all of us can learn using any of the learning styles, but we usually learn best using our preferred learning style or using 2 or 3 learning styles together. If you have questions, please ask them. I would much rather answer a question than to see you lose points due to confusion. Always keep your goals in mind.